Elon Musk's Tesla truck fails window shatter test during launch event. Here you are in solution of people. This didn't go quite according to the plan when Elon Musk unveiled the all-electric battery-powered Tesla Cybertruck. The 48-year-old Tesla co-founder and CEO addressed the crowd in person and via live stream while standing in front of the vehicle at Tesla Design Center on Thursday. Watch video now.
All right, let's show the glass demo. Franz, could you try to break this glass, please? Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Should we try the beer?
Sorry? It didn't go through. So that's a plus side.
Let's try the
right? Try that one? Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, man.
It didn't go through. All right. Not bad. Room for improvement. All right. Let's see. So yeah. We did actually throw everything. We threw wrenches. We threw everything. We even literally threw the kitchen sink at the glass, and it didn't break. For some weird reason, it broke now. I don't know why. Just fix it in post. So.
Elon asked an assistant to come on stage and throw a metal ball at one of the truck's armor glass window. However, when the assistant threw the ball first on a front window and then on a passenger one, they both cracked throughout the glass. Elon joked, "Well, maybe that was a little too hard. We threw wrenches, we threw everything, we even literally threw a kitchen sink at the glass and it didn't break. For a little weird reason, it broke now. I don't know why. We'll fix it in post," he said on stage. The Tesla Cybertruck is expected to be available in late 2021 with a starting price of $39,900. Though it looks like a little more work may need to be done before that.